3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Have fun, everyone. Enjoy yourself.
Hey guys, Zach here. Early morning up here. Yeah, I'm not in Scottsdale anymore. Take a look. I am at Flagstaff Ranch in Flagstaff, Arizona, doing a 5K run. And no, I don't live here. I got some good friends that live here, so we're staying with them. But this 5K run is pretty fun. It's all through the golf course here, the trails. As you can tell, I'm not exactly running right now. It's my break time. So here at Flagstaff Ranch, it's a private community, gated community, and a country club. The houses range from, in this current market, about a million up to about 4.5 million. So it is pricey, but it's very nice. And the houses range in size. Some are 2,000 square feet, and they go all the way up to around 6,000 square feet. Everyone is on the golf course. The fees, let's see, country club fee, I think to buy in at $75,000, but if you sell, you get that back because the new buyer has to buy that. So $75,000 for the buy-in fee, and the monthly fees are around $1,000, which isn't bad compared to country clubs in Phoenix and in Scottsdale. Some of them are even more than that down there. So $1,000 a month plus the $75,000 buy-in. But here, take a look at this one. This is a beautiful house. But it's nice being up here in the trees and the pines. Reminds me back of California, Lake Tahoe area a little bit.
Thought the stars would never let you down, and you keep on thinking you could save yourself, but that's love.
So here's my number. I'm number 503. I'll probably finish 503 too. Oh, here's the guys taking care of the golf course. This is in Flagstaff. It's not a huge golf area, and of course, about 5 months out of the year, they shut them down because obviously snow and that kind of thing. But take a look at this course. All right, guys, I'm just finishing up the 5K run walk for me. I want to show you this cool, catching my breath, this cool 18th hole here at Flagstaff Ranch. Take a look.
When it comes to love, comes to love.
And there's the clubhouse.
Sometimes it hurts.
Kind of reminds me of Cars Ride at Disneyland with all this red rock. But take a look at this beautiful view.
And as I barely make it close to the finish line, my two boys are waiting for me. One of them has prize money for being the first teenager to finish the race.
And I got $25.
How come?
I was the first teenager.
Nice. Wow. Pretty fun?
Yeah, my knees, I can't bend them.
You can't bend them. That's a good thing. Let me finish this bad boy. Finish.
It's gonna be a great Saturday.
Thanks for watching Zack Scottsdale here in Flagstaff Ranch. If you have any questions about this community or any in Scottsdale, please let me know. And always make it a great Scottsdale or Flagstaff buying and selling day. Thanks.